Crypto Trading for Beginners, step-by-step guide to your first trade, brought to you by Crypto Income Now. Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Income Now, your go-to channel for making money with cryptocurrency. If you're new to crypto trading, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of making your first crypto trade, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in! The first step to start crypto trading is choosing a reliable exchange. There are many options out there, but for beginners, I recommend Binance. It's one of the largest and most user-friendly exchanges, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and tools to help you get started. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up using my link in the description to get started and earn exclusive bonuses. Once you've signed up, you'll need to verify your account. This is called KYC, Know Your Customer, and it's required by most exchanges. You'll need to upload a government-issued ID and a selfie. Don't worry, it's a quick and secure process. Binance makes it easy with clear instructions. Next, you'll need to deposit funds into your account. Binance allows you to deposit fiat currency, like USD or EUR, or cryptocurrency, from another wallet. To deposit fiat, link your bank account or use a debit card. For crypto, simply copy your Binance wallet address and send funds from another wallet or exchange. Now that your account is funded, you're ready to start trading. Binance offers two main trading options: spot trading for buying and selling crypto at current prices, and futures trading for advanced traders. As a beginner, I recommend starting with spot trading. Let me show you how to place your first trade. Before you start trading, make sure to secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication using an app like Google Authenticator. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Binance also offers additional security features like withdrawal whitelist and anti-phishing codes. Binance has some amazing features that make it perfect for beginners. For example, you can use Binance Earn to grow your crypto through staking and savings, or explore Binance Academy for free educational resources. And don't forget, if you sign up using my link in the description, you'll get access to exclusive bonuses to kickstart your trading journey. And that's it! You're now ready to start crypto trading on Binance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to @CryptoIncomeNow for more crypto income tips, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and sign up for Binance using my link in the description to get started and earn exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy trading!